Hello, Mosh Bari here. Welcome to this video. In today's video, I will reveal a website that has over 500,000 monthly visitors and they pay you cash for using them, viewing ads, clicking on ads, and 5 other methods. And even you can make Bitcoin using this website. Joining this website is 100% free. As usual, my premium softwares will be free for you so that you can make more money. But not only we will share how to join this website 100% free, step-by-step process to use this website and to start making money from today. I will share how you can make $100 a day to $500 a day, even $1,000 a day by not only using this website but also other methods. But if you stick to the end of the video, I will also reveal how this particular website makes money and what one element you should inject in your business that will explode your profitability as well. I will share my softwares, premium softwares 100% free for my viewers, which means you. Links will be in the description, by the way, that will help you make money like this and that will help you get traffic like them. Are you ready for this? Let's do this. By the way, before we begin, you should always remember that using another website can be a quick way to start making money, but this is not building a real business for yourself. In order to build a real business that will reliably earn you money for a long time, you can even sell the business and make far more money, then you should do what they are doing, and I will share what they are doing in order to build a sustainable and a profitable business for themselves while paying the users just like you and me for simply viewing ads, clicking ads, and do some other easy stuff. Now another question is, how much money can you actually make from this website? Yes, theoretically you can make unlimited money, but practically you can only make when they will pay you. And for that, they must have tasks available so you can perform, deliver, and make money. But what if they don't have enough tasks? My other videos, links will be in the description, will show you other methods, other ways, and other websites so you can keep making money. But again, if you use my software and follow the business building formula that they are using and build a sustainable business for yourself, then you will scale up your income to wherever you want to. It can even be $5,000 a day or even far more than that, because that will be realistic online business that every other profitable online business is doing. Before we begin, please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you tell YouTube that this is a good video and they should show this video to other viewers. They will do that, we will get some views, and you will get notified when we will upload our next video. So without further ado, let's begin. We are so excited to introduce to you GAB.ag. You can earn money in 6 different ways from this website, 100% free. Go to this earn money menu, click on the drop down, you see view ads, GAB grid, earn Bitcoin, CPX surveys, super pay, promo contest. All these ways you can make money from. You can go to forum, log in and register, go through the website and read every single word one by one to make sure you understand what to do, how to make money, how much time it might take for you, how much money you can possibly make for you, what is the catch if there is any. Don't worry, we have already shared what is the catch, how much money you can make, what you should actually do to make even far more money than others. Stick to the end of the video. Total paid so far $67,174,034, or is it $64,174? whatever it is, this is the money they have totally paid for to their users. All their benefits they have mentioned on the landing page. You should go through all this because you're actually reading it one time. Still, you should keep in touch with the website text. If they change anything, you should be informed. Just click the join for free button to register using this page. Before you join, as I always recommend, read the FAQ. FAQs are frequently asked questions which are already asked by the other users. So most of the questions that you might have are possibly answered in the FAQ section. So this is the most important thing. How do I earn money? What are the points for? What is purchase balance for? Purchase balance is money you can spend on GAB, but you cannot cash out. Yes, companies like this always keep everything transparent. I recommend clearly read everything and understand before you start using them. I'll put all the information, full name, username, email address, and check this I have read, understood, and agreed to GAB's terms of service, and click register. And that's all you need to register. You have successfully registered and start earning and advertising with GAB. This is how the dashboard looks like. It shows your account balance, purchase balance, points, referrals, every single thing you possibly need to be able to earn money from this website. So add funds if you want to add fund, upgrade your account if you want, withdraw your earnings if you want, banners or referral link, personal settings, two-factor authentication. Now go to earn money, view ads section. The easiest way to make money. Viewing ads. You have viewed 0 ads today. Yes, of course, it's a new one. Please view at least 10 more ads to earn from referrals tomorrow. Yay! So these are the daily available ads. Tiny ads, micro ads, fixed ads, featured ads, ads for robots. Do not view these ads if you are a human. Haha. Let's view some ads and make money. Click here on any ad and check on the top left corner waiting for ad to load. The ad is loaded and you have to wait till the bar becomes totally blue and it's done, gone. Click the upside down picture. It ensures that you are a human and not a bot. Clicked on that image and now it says you were credited. So yay, I made some money now. Let's try another one. And the ad is loading. Ad is loading, loading, loading. Now the ad is loaded. Yes. Oh, I'm not logged in. Okay, I just logged in and I'm watching another ad. And yes, done. Click the upside down picture and you were credited. Awesome. Wow, really? I made some money by watching ads and clicking on 2 images. That's it. No work, no skill, no website, nothing needed. But can I make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars using this system? Well, stick to the end of the video because I'm going to reveal how you can do that. One important way to make money is called referral. There are so many people out there who want to make money using this kind of system. All you have to do is to click your banners or referral link and copy that link and share with others. And that is why in a moment I will share how they get traffic from Facebook and YouTube, because Facebook and YouTube users share their referral link with their audience and this way they make money. Hit the like button, subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you support this channel and you tell YouTube that they should support this channel as well. So now let's see how this website is making money. You can see that they are making joining this website very, very easy. Look at this. If you click on join for free, you'll be taken to this page, which is basically an opt-in form, where you have to put your full name, your username, your chosen username, your email address, password, confirm and confirm email address. Then you check and register. Now, why did they make it so much easy? Because they want one thing and one thing only from you, from us, from the users. That is the email address and absolutely nothing else. Because being able to contact users is the way to make money online. Whatever platform we talk about, let's say Google, okay, let's say Gmail. If you come to Gmail and you want to create a new account, what do they want from you? your name, your last name, your username, and your password, and you create an email on them. And once you go click next, they will ask you for another email, so you can recover this new email anytime you want. Okay, go to Facebook and create a new account. What do they want from you? They want your name and your mobile number or your email. Why? Because they want to be able to connect with you, because that's how internet works. To be able to build an online business, you must ask for one thing from your audience, is their email address. Because once you have their email address, you can send them email and build relationship. You can give away stuff, you can share your personality with them, you can share what you have in your pocket for them. And when you share with your audience, just like Google, just like YouTube, just like Facebook, and like every other platform, they start loving you and they come back to your website over and over again. That is the point when you can ask them to take any action. They will take action and you will make money. And that is exactly what this website is doing. They're asking for the contact email, so they are able to contact you, and then they let you make money using many different, like 6 different methods they have. They even let you earn money through Bitcoin. Link will be in the description. That software is premium but 100% free for my viewers. Go ahead, take it and inject that software into your business to build the list of subscribers and build the list of audience to be able to build your sustainable online business. Now let's look at the analytics of this website. They have over 500,000 monthly viewers. Look at this, a lot of referrals, because these websites are the people who are making money from referring their viewers to GAB or this website. Okay, now let's go to the traffic, social traffic. Look at this. They have 51% traffic from Facebook and 38% traffic from YouTube. Now for YouTube traffic, you understand you need videos. Video making is not easy. You have to be on the camera? No. You have to speak? No. You have to write script? No. Because my software, 100% free, link in the description, will give you script written by AI inside the software. The software will speak for you, and you can even make videos using clicks, copies and pastes, and you can save the video halfway or anywhere you want. Take as long as you want to finish the video. Once you are done, one click and the video will be rendered. You can upload it on YouTube and get traffic. For Facebook traffic, you need another software. Link will be in the description. My premium software for you, 100% free, so you can get traffic from Facebook. Super cool. Did you like our video so far? We make our videos and we give away our premium softwares 100% free, so you can make money. So please hit the like button, subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be the first one to get notified when we will upload our next video. The next video will be free and it will come with premium softwares free, so you can make more money.